our Subway sandwiches. Madden's about to finish.
Let's go, Madden!
Hi vlog. It's literally flooding. We're flooded. We flooded out.
Yeah, I'm still walking.
We're staying there.
Say hi to the vlog.
Who's this? Dylan.
What's up, guys? We're getting a haircut right before the race on Thursday.
JT Blends, if you need a haircut anytime, any day, I'll come to you for free.
3 days later.
Holy moly.
We're on a plane right now, actually.
I know, there's a bathroom. Oh, it doesn't open, but where's a bathroom?
Plane.
Bro, what?
First meet, let's get it.
I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, there's any outfit that you find me ugly, and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us.
Let's go, Candy. Good job, Maddie. Let's go, Jack. Come on, go, don't lose them today. Come, catch up. Hey, catch up to the front pack. Let's go, Jordy. Come on, Jordy.
He say that I'm good enough, got him out there. Think about that I shouldn't. So I tell him it's one of them.
Oh my god, I've never given you a ride.
Next day.
Needed to learn what it means to reciprocate. How much can I be expected to tolerate? So I started to think about the plans I made that day, and you just keep calm, space. Can't stop thinking of you.
How you feel about that?
What happened?
The next day.
Too much, and I'm way too gonna drive. I got anger in my chest, I got millions on my mind, and you didn't fit the picture, so I guess you want the vibe. I've been rolling on the freeway, I've been riding 85. I've been thinking way too much, and I'm way too gonna drive. I got anger in my chest, I got millions on my mind, and you didn't fit the picture, so I guess you want the vibe.
just made a very bad financial decision and bought $60 worth of Pokemon cards from that GameStop right there.
Oh, I didn't see it. It's okay.
I blessed them today. All right, so we're gonna open them now. Okay, so this is the first pack of the night. We set this off with a ceremonial opening. You got starting off trash with a fire energy. Candace.
Who's Candace?
Hey,
Candace,
hey.
Candace.
Question in the comments. Who is Candace?
Who is Candace?
Who is Candace? Smurgle. Oh. It's shiny! Radiant what? We got a Radiant Jirachi.
Radiant Jirachi. Is that good? Is that even good? I don't even know.
I just know that it's shiny.
It's shiny, guys. It's shiny. Is it good, Ethan? Is it good? Is it good? Ethan's the expert. Come on, Ethan.
But it's shiny.
But we got a shiny.
Shiny, yeah!
Alright, we have Ethan and Noah.
So we got a silver Tempest pack with Reggie Drago on the front. And Ethan's gonna open it up and show
big
us.
words.
Look at the knowledge.
Come on, Ethan.
You wanna open it? Okay, Ethan, you wanna?
Okay, Ethan, what's the first one?
Capturing aroma.
Capture aroma. Alright.
Ethan, hold it tight, yeah.
Click.
You know every
What is it, Ethan?
Oh! It's a shot. Oh,
No, it's not.
is that shiny?
What is the next one?
Among Us.
Among Us.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4?
Yeah. Four? Yeah.
Alright.
How do you know that? Oh my god.
Ready?
Yeah. Bro, Shannon's
No! Oh my star! Wait, did I do it wrong? That was from the back! Oh, virgin! Okay. Wait, what? No, you did from the top. Okay, well, anyway. Okay, next one. Wait, I thought you. Okay, alright. No one told me. Okay, wait. Oh, I see. Oh. Well, I didn't. Oh. Well, at least we got. At least we got that. Let's go. Okay, well, I'm not opening cards ever again after that one.
It's me. You guys know me? You in South Banquet right now?
Oh, you forgot. Oh.
Yes. For sure. We're content. Bye, Spencer. Which bomb?
Who's that bum?
Who's that bomb? Who's the bum? What? He's the bomb.
What?
What's going on? Shane's actually high. Oh shoot, the package fell. Wait, what did he say? I have no idea. He called me a bum, I swear to God. He's like 5'6".
What's happening? Okay, alright.
Energy. Wait, I shouldn't do that. Today we got Beheem. Woo. Braxton. Damn, she better. Oh! Yeah, I wasn't lying. Alright. We got Sigleby. Dratini. Oh, ruined it. Choo-choo. Chincho. Sounds racist.
Chincho. Sorry. Hey,
Sorry.
this is Asian.
Yeah, I'm Asian.
Chincho. I'm 100% Chinese. Bonita. It's not. I don't know, bro. This sounds bad feeling about
What?
this one.
Shit. Lance.
there another one, or is that it?
No, there's one more.
Okay.
Bravery.
Okay. Wait. How did?
What the hell?
No, let me just make sure I don't mess this up. Yeah. Okay. And then I.
What? No, just start.
From this?
No, the other way. The other way.
Okay, we got a interesting card here.
Okay.
Read him. Brandon. Let's go, Brandon.
Read him.
Swirlix.
Is it the last card?
It's Among Us. Among Us. So, as predicted, my $60 didn't really stretch the mile. But we have our finds. So, we'll lay it out on the table here. This is the best find that Dylan messed up because he didn't know how to pull from the front. The Omastar V. Then we have our other shiny cards. Dragonair, Jirachi. That's a tuna fish. And Among Us.
Among Us.
Also Lance.
Special mentions, Lance.
And our honorable mentions are Candace and Among Us.
Wait, so we got Among Us and Among Us shiny?
Yeah.
Is that?
Quite a waste. Yes.
But boys are layup.